Hello everyone. Let's continue our discussion on laser vision correction. As we know, there are a number of different kinds of refractive surgeries, including the most common, which we know as LASIK, the next one being PRK and SMILE. Even among these, there are certain variations which may confuse you. So we're going to try and explain a little bit about contour vision correction, which is a kind of LASIK. So what is contour? As you remember, before you can undergo the laser vision correction, we do a test called a corneal topography, which measures the shape of your cornea, the thickness of your cornea, and any other irregularities that may be there on your cornea. If there are any minor irregularities or differences in the shape, then your laser vision correction should also be customized or personalized to your unique eye. And that is what Contoura does. At our hospital, we are committed to providing our patients with the best quality of care with state-of-the-art technology. And that's where Contoura wins. What are the benefits of Contoura laser vision correction? As I mentioned before, one of the biggest advantages of it is the personalization or customization that we can provide to our patients. Any minor irregularity of the cornea could contribute to how you see before or even after the surgery. And we are able to tackle these minor irregularities with the Contoura vision to provide you the best possible vision. Contoura also is US FDA approved, which makes it one of the most safe and reliable laser vision platforms available today. We also have very good results with this in a number of patients whom we treat every day. Another great advantage of this platform for both the surgeon and the patient are the comfort that the patient has during and after the procedure. It has a very fast eye tracker, which means that even if you involuntarily move your eye slightly during the procedure, the machine would be able to track your eye so that there would be no untoward complications after the surgery. So let's see who is eligible to undergo the Contoura laser vision correction. Even though it's a very advanced platform and it's a great technology, it may not be suitable for everyone who wants to undergo a refractive vision correction. So there are a few basic criteria that are common to all laser vision correction, and of course the most important being that your refractive error or your glass power has to be stable for at least 6 months to a year. That is the most basic criteria that we look at. The next thing is, of course, to rule out any weakness of the cornea, which we would do by various tests, including the corneal topography as mentioned before. So once these basic criteria are fulfilled, you know that you would at least be eligible for some form of laser vision correction. The next decision would be based on a number of other criteria that would be taken by your experienced refractive surgeon. You need not worry, your eyes are in very safe hands, and if you are interested to undergo a refractive vision correction, there are a number of options and I'm sure we'll find a good fit for you.